See, we're not here to repair anything. There's nothing broken. Any symptom is a good reason to be there, and this reason has to be respected. And extending, to feel the full weight of the head pulling from the neck. It's about getting rid of the reason why we got the disease to start with. Feel the back of your nose. Yeah. We're going to learn that there's much more interesting thing to do with your hands than trying to fix anything. Fixing is insulting. Healing, you heal a person. You don't heal a disease. It's about growing process.